One other real short video I wanted to do here is this is a cheap hammer from Harbor Freight. They come with these different rubber ends and plastic ends so you can put harder or softer ends on. And it's a, I think it's like $5.99. And I made a lead head for it by just casting a bolt in there, an old one, and it finally busted up on me, so I made a new one. And I just wanted to show you that. This got a bolt, but I went through a pin crosswise so it won't come out. And the mold I made, basically I just cut a hole in a piece of 2x4 with one of those paddle type drill bits, 1.5" paddle type drill bit, and screwed I cut the middle hole, the pilot hole area out a little bigger and screwed the bolt in at the level I wanted it to be held. And I poured the lead on top of it, and then when I pulled it out, I stuck it on the lathe and cut that step, because it needs a step the way it fits in there. The rubber ones have steps too. I'll show you here. See, they have steps. So I cut it basically the same form as that. And this lead. Now the other one was a little thinner. It wasn't quite as heavy. This one's heavier. It's a little too heavy for me. This weighs probably, oh, I don't know, 1.5 pounds maybe. It's as heavy as a regular carpenter hammer, a medium-sized carpenter hammer. But it's got real hard lead. This lead is about 22 BHN. And I put some tin in it so it would form to the mold well. And now I got a non-marring hammer. Just thought I'd relate that in case someone wants to do a project like that. It's real easy with that 2x4 mold. I was surprised how well that worked. I charred the inside of it a little bit with a torch before I poured the lead. That way, I figured that charring would help release the lead after it was molded, and it worked fine. Worked real well.